India has more than double import taxes on gold and silver as New Delhi scrambles to protect its weakening currency and manages the economic fallout from rising oil prices linked to the conflict in the Middle East. According to official government orders issued late Tuesday, import duties on gold and silver have been raised to around 15%, up from roughly 6% previously. The move comes as India faces growing pressure on its foreign exchange reserves due to the combined impact of expensive energy imports and a falling rupee. Gold imports are particularly sensitive for India because they are paid for in US dollars. That means higher gold buying increases demand for dollars and can further weaken the rupee while draining foreign currency reserves. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already appealed to Indians earlier this week to avoid buying gold for at least a year as the currency continues to slide against the dollar.
देश हित में हमको ये तय करना पड़ेगा कि साल भर तक घर में कोई भी फंक्शन हो, कोई भी कार्यक्रम हो, हम सोने के गहने नहीं खरीदेंगे, सोना नहीं खरीदेंगे। विदेशी मुद्रा बचाने के लिए हमारी देशभक्ति हमें चुनौती दे रही है और हमें इस चुनौती को स्वीकार करते हुए विदेशी मुद्रा को बचाना होगा।
The pressure on the economy has intensified because of disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz following the US-Iran conflict. The closure and instability around key shipping routes have pushed global oil prices sharply higher. This is a major problem for India, which is the world's third largest importer of crude oil and depends heavily on imported energy to run its economy. Higher oil prices have significantly increased India's import bill, putting more strain on the country's balance of payments and foreign reserves. Modi has urged people to reduce petrol and diesel consumption as fuel costs continue rising across the country. For India, the challenge is especially complicated because gold holds deep cultural and economic importance. Gold remains one of the country's biggest imports after crude oil and is widely bought during weddings, festivals, and religious celebrations as a symbol of wealth and financial security. But economists say that during periods of economic stress and currency weakness, heavy gold imports can worsen pressure on the rupee because a large amount of dollars leave the country to finance purchases. The government now appears to be trying to discourage non-essential imports while conserving foreign currency reserves during a period of global uncertainty. The decision also reflects how the Middle East conflict is increasingly affecting economies far beyond the region itself. Across South Asia, governments are facing rising fuel costs, inflationary pressure, and concerns over energy security as oil markets remain volatile because of disruptions around the Gulf. Analysts say India's latest move could have a ripple effect across regional gold markets, potentially affecting prices, smuggling activity, and consumer demand in neighboring countries as well. For now, New Delhi is betting that higher import duties and public appeals for restraint can help stabilize the rupee and shield the economy from deeper shocks as the global energy crisis continues.